Top 3 Japanese wines right now, selected and reviewed by top sommeliers.
Number 3. Number 3. Shinshu Katayama Winery Sauvignon Blanc 2023. 87.3 points. Defined by its crisp acidity and cool, refreshing character. Produced in Katayama Village, Nagano. A Sauvignon Blanc shaped by its high altitude, cool climate character. Alcohol is around 12 to 12.5%. A medium-bodied white wine. Fresh and lively on the palate. Bright citrus notes spread with a clean, refreshing lift. Overall, a light and vibrant style. Pairs well with yellowtail shabu shabu with ponzu, grilled surf clam, chicken sautéed with lemon butter, or a fennel salad. Uniqueness 8.0 and Balance 7.7, both highly rated. Overall, a wine where distinct character is clearly expressed within a harmonious, multi-layered structure. The palate is supported by fresh, sharp acidity, clearly reflecting the cool climate of Katayama Village. Within its tight structure, there is a pleasant bitterness and a firm mineral edge, leading to a clean, elegant finish. Overall, a highly refined wine where freshness and tension coexist. That was number 3, Shinshu Katayama Winery Sauvignon Blanc 2023.
Number 2.
Number 2, Katsunuma Jozo Aruga Branca Clareza, 87.5 points. A wine defined by the delicate character of Koshu and its refreshing acidity. Produced in Katsunuma, Yamanashi, this is a benchmark Koshu wine from Japan. Alcohol is around 11 to 11.5%, a light-bodied white with a delicate and elegant style. Fresh and lively on the palate, with a bright and youthful character. Overall, light, approachable, and easy to drink. Pairs well with fried pufferfish or sweet shrimp tartare, especially dishes with delicate umami. Uniqueness 8.3 and Balance 7.5, both highly rated. Overall, a wine where the character of the variety is clearly expressed within a light, elegant structure. A gentle aromatic profile with Japanese citrus notes reminiscent of green yuzu and sudachi, layered with a light hint of cinnamon. On the palate, vibrant acidity runs straight through, tightening the structure and giving a clean, focused impression. A slim, light-bodied wine that is highly approachable and easy to drink. That was number 2, Katsunuma Jozo Aruga Branca Clareza.
Number 1.
Number 1, Chitose Winery Kita Wine Kerner, 92 points. A standout wine, defined by its pure, transparent fruit and exceptional precision. Kerner from Hokkaido, shaped by its cool climate, it shows a clean, focused style. A light-bodied white with excellent balance between delicacy and pure fruit. Bright citrus freshness with a juicy, lively palate. Youthful and refreshing in style. Overall, light yet with a clear sense of presence. Pairs well with crispy scale grilled tilefish, grilled turban shell, scallop carpaccio, or raclette. Uniqueness 8.7 and Balance 8.7, both highly rated. Overall, a wine where pure, transparent fruit and structure come together with outstanding precision and a high level of overall quality. Fresh and expressive aromas of grapefruit and passion fruit, with herbal notes of white flowers and lemon verbena. On the palate, bright citrus-driven acidity defines the structure, balanced beautifully by pure, transparent fruit. The finish is clean and precise, leaving a refreshing impression. That was number 1, Chitose Winery Kita Wine Kerner.
That was the top 3 Japanese wines, presented by Japan Cellar, based on reviews by top sommeliers. See you in the next video.